Use a green yarn to crochet the jaw. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger and pinch. Use a thicker end. Pass through the loop on middle finger. Crochet a cast on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast on. The stitch is same as the heart of the flower. Crochet 6 single crochets in the first lap. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. This is the first stitch. Place a marker. Continue the second stitch. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. After done, take off the loop. Tighten the loop. Take off the marker. Make a slip stitch with the stitch of placing marker. Pass through this stitch. Wind and yarn over. Tighten the loop. Adjust the loop. Continue the second lap. The second lap, crochet 6 increases. Crochet a cast on. Crochet 2 single crochets in the cast on stitch. This is an increase. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. This is the first stitch. Place a marker. Continue single crochet in the same stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. The second is the same 2 single crochets. There are 12 stitches after crochet. The second lap is done. This is okay. Take off the marker. Count a stitch. This reshaped a stitch. The second is 12 stitches. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Adjust the loop. Continue the third lap. Crochet a cast on. And then crochet a single crochet and an increase. Repeat 6 times. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. This is a single crochet. Crochet an increase in the second stitch. The increase is crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is okay. Pull the loop up. Cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn out. Twist it. Thread the yarn into sewing needle. Pass through the first stitch. Tighten it. Pass through the last one. And tighten it. And hide the end of the yarn. Find a place randomly. This is okay. The jaw is done. Cut short the yarn. Remain about 2 centimeters. We need to put the heart and the jaw back to back together. The last stitch. We can stack them together.